Welcome back to the Auto Insider. Today, we're diving into a car that blends retro muscle with modern supercar performance, the Equus Bass 770-2025. If you love the aggressive styling of classic American muscle cars but want the performance of a modern beast, this is the car for you. Let's start with the design. The Equus Bass 770 takes heavy inspiration from legendary muscle cars like the 1960s Mustang Fastback and the Dodge Charger, but with a futuristic twist. The sculpted lines, round headlights, and wide stance scream vintage muscle, while the carbon fiber and aluminum body construction give it the strength and lightness of a modern supercar. From the long hood to the aggressive rear diffuser, every detail pays homage to the golden era of muscle cars while packing cutting-edge technology underneath. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Equus Bass 770 packs a hand-built 6.2L supercharged V8 engine, pushing out an insane 800-plus horsepower. That means this retro-styled beast can hit 0 to 60 mph in just under 3.3 seconds and boasts a top speed north of 200 miles per hour. This is not just a showpiece, it's a true American performance machine built for speed and power. But what about handling? Unlike the classic muscle cars that were built for straight-line dominance, the Equus Bass 770 features a modern magnetic suspension system, high-performance Brembo brakes, and an advanced traction control system to ensure it handles like a true supercar. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising down the highway, this car delivers both comfort and precision handling. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that blends vintage charm with modern luxury. Premium leather, aluminum accents, and a state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster bring the best of both worlds. It's a driver-focused cabin with just the right amount of technology to enhance your experience without losing that old-school muscle car feel. And let's talk about that sound. The deep, thunderous roar of the supercharged V8 is pure music to any car enthusiast's ears. The exhaust note alone is enough to turn heads and make a statement wherever you go. Now, let's talk about exclusivity. The Equus Bass 770 is not mass-produced, it's a hand-built, limited production masterpiece, which means you won't see one at every street corner. And with an estimated price tag of over $500,000, this car is for true collectors and enthusiasts who want something unique and powerful. So, what do you think? Is the Equus Bass 770-2025 the perfect blend of classic muscle and modern performance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exclusive car content. This is the Auto Insider, and we'll see you in the next one.